In other news, Colorado Attorney General Phil Weiser is objecting to a proposed grocery merger between Kroger and Albertsons. A trial to decide to allow the merger begins on Monday in Denver District Court. Today, Weiser provided an update on the situation. Reporter Alex Rivero has more.
We brought this case in Colorado under our laws because we want to control our own destiny.
A lawsuit brought by the Colorado Attorney General's office follows two other parallel lawsuits in the states of Oregon and Washington state that are also looking to block the merger between grocery chains Kroger and Albertsons. Attorney General Phil Weiser brings up several examples of what could happen if the merger were to go through.
It's going to harm consumers. It's going to harm workers. It's going to harm farmers. It's going to harm communities.
A district court judge ruled back in July that if this merger were to go through, it would have a reasonable probability of violating the Colorado Antitrust Act. That ruling paused the possible merger. Throughout the state's lawsuit against the merger, AG Weiser heard from Coloradans, including Western Slope residents, about what the possible merger would do to them.
The feedback was clear. It was consistent. Coloradans are concerned about this merger, about food deserts, about a lack of choices, about a lack of competition.
With Kroger operating 148 stores in Colorado and Albertsons in control of 105, they have become the two main grocery chains in the state. Although Walmart also sells groceries, AG Weiser argues variety and selection would be limited. The two chains proposed giving some stores to CNS a grocery supplier, saying it would help address the competitive harm of the merger. The state of Colorado disagrees because they have seen it before.
We disagree. CNS is a national distribution company. It operates very few stores. It doesn't have the infrastructure or the platform to do so. And we're worried about a repeat of what we saw last time. When Safeway and Albertsons merged, they spun off stores to a company called Haggen's. Haggen's was not able to operate their stores effectively. They either closed down or they were sold back to the merged firm. That was a disaster.
The lawsuit will begin Monday and could last up to 3 weeks. It will be live streamed in Denver District Court. We will have updates for you as they develop. Alex Rivero, KREX 5 News.